Y'all finna make another snowman. Kelly, what are you doing? Go help get it. Oh, he got a hat on.
He's starting to look like. Do not hurt him. Please. Please, I'm begging. What you stick on? What she put on
I
there?
don't know.
Don't knock him down. Whatever you do, don't knock him down, okay? Now you're gonna break him. Hold on.
I don't want to break him.
Me either.
We need eyes.
We need eyes.
You need eyes?
He's starting to look like a
I
little...
got eyes.
No, you have to use sticks.
You have to use sticks or something dark.
Eyes. Eyes.
Leaves.
Now we have mouth. We
Here's
need
an
a
eye.
mouth.
Here's the eye.
Here's the mouth.
Here's the eye. Is that a mouth?
Yeah.
What other eye can go? Right here?
We need a nose. Here's a nose.
No, he needs to. That little piece on the front needs to come
What
off.
about? Huh?
That little piece.
Oh, right here. He's missing.
We need a backpack for him.
We need what?
We need a backpack. Uh-oh.
We need to plug him in. Huh? Is he plug? Don't drop it. Don't break it.